Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Nicole, and yes, it is true. A tornado touched down in my home. Oh my gosh, it blew up everything. So in this video, you're basically seeing me clean my home, get it back in order from this tornado that touched down. And I do apologize for the pants. Didn't realize all of that was going on. But I definitely do hope you enjoy the video. Please like and subscribe and share my video as I continue to make content. Thank you. This is my living room. And it's not too bad, just a quick cleanup, wipe down the tables and things like that to get this room back in order. You'll notice that I have plastic on my couches, and that's because I have two cats. And on my previous couches, they tore them up. Oh my gosh. So I decided this time to make sure when I got new furniture that it was going to be protected. So this stays on at all times unless I have company over, then I take it off.
Come on and love me. Come on and trust me. Come on and hold me like you do. 'Cause you've been heartbroken. You're scared to be open. Yeah, I can tell by how you move. Oh, 'cause you can't love like there's a limit to your heart. And you can't live like there's a boundary to your soul. Baby, let me in because I know just what to do. Care for you. Care for you. Care for. I'll be careful with you. Careful. I'll be careful with you. Show me your secrets. I know you need it. Lay all your fears down on the floor, and I'll make you eggs in the morning. Whatever you wanted. Yeah, baby, just tell me and it's yours. Oh, 'cause you can't love like there's a limit to your heart. And you can't live like there's a boundary to your soul. Baby, let me in because I know just what to do. Care for you. Care for you. be there for you. I'll take care of you. This I swear to you. Let me be down for you. I'll be around for you. Baby, I promise you I'll be careful. I'll be careful.
So basically right here, my camera died, ran out of battery, but I did include some clips of the room all the way clean so that you can see the final outcome of all of this cleaning. So I really do hope you enjoyed the video. Definitely comment below on your cleaning methods and some of the things that you use to clean. I'm definitely interested in learning about some different type of products. So definitely like, subscribe, and share, and please stay tuned for my next video.